Yes, sir. This is the finale of me starting a brand new business on Instagram from scratch, getting it to the point where it's making money. I'm gonna show you guys how I grew the page, what I'm doing to make money on the page, and everything in between. Stay tuned. What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Drell here, coming at you with another video today. I hope you guys are looking good, feeling good, smelling good, because I know I am. Today, this video might change your life, man. This video might change your life. As you guys know, I started a brand new Instagram account from scratch, and right now it's currently at 18,000 followers in less than a month. It's been less than a month. I did my thing with this page. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you guys step by step on how I grew the page and how I'm monetizing the page as we speak. Now, for those that haven't seen episode 1 or 2 to this series, I'm gonna give you guys a brief explanation on how I got to this point. So at first, I started a brand new account and I named it Black Success Club. I went ahead and started using methods to grow the page, like the follow for follow method, which is basically where you're going to other people's pages and just following the people that like their photos. You got to go to similar pages in your niche, turn on their post notifications, and then as soon as they drop a new photo, you go and follow the people that like that photo. Another way that I've been growing the page is using hashtags. So if you look at all my posts on the page, they all have hashtags, and hashtags allow you to get seen by new people. So make sure that you add in hashtags every single time that you post so that you can get seen by new people, and make sure that the hashtags are related to the type of content that you're posting. Now, the third way that I've been growing the page is getting shoutouts from bigger pages. So I dropped over $100 on shoutouts to grow this page, and this is what really took my page to the next level, man. This grew my page extremely fast, getting shoutouts from bigger pages in my niche. Now that brings us to where we are today with 18,000 followers on the page, and I'm making money from the page in less than a month. You know, I did my thing. I gotta take a bow, you know I gotta take my bow. I did my thing with the page, but I'm about to hop into my page so I can give you guys an update and explain how I'm making money from the page. All right, so I'm on the page right now. As you can see, Black Success Club. I got 91 posts, 17.9K followers. I know I said 18, but it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, as you can see, like the 91 posts, that just goes to show you that I was posting consistently throughout these 3 weeks. I was posting multiple times a day. So if you want to grow a page, you have to be posting multiple times a day, man. Multiple times a day. Don't just post once a day if you got a new account. You gotta be posting multiple times a day. As you can see, I got 91 posts in 3 weeks. So I was grinding on this page, man. I was grinding. And if we scroll down and look at some of the photos, they are getting engagement on the photos. As you can see, this one got 972. This one got 1,600 likes. Almost 1,500 likes on this one. So yeah, it's getting engagement. This one got 10,000 views on this video. But so the page is looking good. It's getting engagement. It's still growing followers every single day. Now I don't even have to do the follow for follow method. I don't have to pay for shoutouts anymore or anything like that. It's growing organically. I don't have to do anything but just post from now on. So once you get to a certain point, you don't have to do the follow for follow method. You don't have to pay for shoutouts anymore, because your account will grow organically. People will start finding your account because you got a certain amount of followers. So I would say about like 5,000 followers, your account will start growing organically and Instagram will start pushing your content. But now it's time to get into how I've been making money from the page, right? So the first way that I've been making money from the page is through shoutouts. So people been asking me for shoutouts. I only started doing this like the past week or so, but I earned about $100 in shoutouts so far. And this is something that will grow over time as well. So once my page gets to like 50,000 followers, I could charge more for shoutouts. 100,000 followers, I could charge more. So as long as your page continues to grow, you could be making more money from shoutouts. And it also depends on how many shoutouts you want to do a day. So you could do like 5 shoutouts in a day, and let's say you're charging $20 per shoutout. So that's $100 a day. You times that by 7, that's $700 a week just from shoutouts. So shoutouts is a great way to make some extra money. All you're doing is posting other people's content on your page. Now the second way that I'm making money on this page, and I'm not making a lot from this, is driving them to my YouTube channel and having them watch my YouTube videos, right? So some of you might be from that page right now and you're watching my YouTube video, and I get money from the ads that play on this video. But like I said, it's not a lot because I only got about 3,000 subscribers right now. So make sure that you subscribe to join BAC. Hey, I don't know why, I just love saying that, man. I love saying BAC, the Black Hustlers Club. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. But yeah, that's another way that I'm making money, is having them watch my YouTube videos. Now the final way that I plan on making money from this page is through affiliate marketing. Now this is where I'm gonna just promote something like Acorns or Robinhood, where you could get a free stock when you sign up. So they would get a free stock and I would get a free stock if they sign up for Robinhood. And Robinhood is a stock investing app that I use personally, right? So why not recommend it to them? Because I know a lot of people been asking like, what stocks to invest in? How do you get started investing in stocks? So that's a free app that you can use to start investing in stocks. And when you sign up, I get a free stock and you get a free stock as well. So that's another way that I plan on making money from the page, is through affiliate marketing. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man, I'm not gonna have this page for 2 months longer. Next week, I plan on giving this page to my sister, you know, just to set her up. So I'm gonna throw her the alley-oop. She gonna take it home. She gonna slam dunk it. She gonna take it home. So if you see her start posting content on the page or start posting herself on the page, you know why, because I gave it to her and she gonna do her thing with it, you know. She gonna do her thing with the page. But yeah, that's the finale, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. If you haven't seen episode 1 and 2, go watch those videos, because I go into more details on how I grew the pages and everything like that. I just didn't want to repeat the same information in this video. But make sure that you subscribe, drop a comment down below, and I'm out, bro. I'll see you guys in the next video.